Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy New Year. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy January 2021 box. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you're new here, hi, I share monthly subscription boxes like this, skincare, makeup, and haul videos, so please consider subscribing here. Okay, let's get right into the video. So the theme for this month is Dream It. It says new month, new year, and the sky is the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, and your grandest glow goals will be within reach. That's the theme for this month. So we're gonna start with unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag, which looks like this. It comes in this beautiful purse right here. It's a transparent see-through purse. I really love the feel of this, and it comes with this transparent holder. Really nice and lightweight. The very first product I just pulled out is by Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. It looks like this. It looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what the liquid lipstick looks like. So beautiful. I like it. The next product I have here is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Let me open to see what this is. Oh, this is a shimmer veil. That's what it says on the pack. Let me look for the description. It says it's a pearl scent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil or shimmer. Looks like this. Let me do a swatch for you guys. I think this would be great for highlighter. It does look nice. I love the pigments. This is what it looks like on my skin. The next product I have here is Drama Bomb, and this is by the brand Alma Beauty. Oh my goodness, that sounds really exciting. I don't own any products by Alma Beauty. I've been wanting to get their foundations and concealer, and here we are. I have the Nourishing Mascara. Oh, sorry, this is the Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the pack. This is what the pack looks like. Really pretty. Love it. And then this is the product itself. This is the product. So the next product from the Ipsy Glam bag is called Kinship. This is a cleanser. It looks like this. Looks like this. I'm going to be trying this out tonight, and I'll do like a review for you guys. The last product I received from the Ipsy Glam bag is the Original Skin Retexturizing Max with Rose Clay. It looks like this. For the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I have this drawstring bag. It's got Dream all over it. It's just so like lightweight, and it's really beautiful. I'm gonna start by unboxing all the products that I received. Alrighty. You guys, I'm kind of confused by this because I'm not sure if this is supposed to be in the Ipsy Glam bag. This is by the brand Youth to the People. It's Makui and Akai Prickly Pear Goji. Please excuse me if I did not pronounce that right, but it looks like this. This is a super berry hydrate and glow oil. It's a facial oil. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It says it could be used as a primer oil. Please excuse me, I don't have my glasses on. It says it could be used as a primer oil before makeup. I can't wait to try this and like let you guys know what I think. I'm really excited to try this one. The next product I have here is Sila by Celine Tadrisi. It's a soothing hand and body butter with lavender and oatmeal. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to perceive this. This is sealed, unfortunately, but I'm gonna try it and let you guys know. I honestly wish I could open it. I don't have anything to pierce this open. I'm so sorry. The next product I have here, which I'm not new to, I already have one. This is by Pixie, and this is the blush quad palette. This is the pack. I actually received this from Ipsy like probably 2 months ago. Looks like that. The next product I received is a set of makeup brushes by the brand La Rouge. It looks like this. I have received this set of makeup brushes before, but I don't know. I'll just open it so you guys can see, but honestly, I really didn't want to open this. I just wanted to give this away, but if I open it, I'm not sure I'll be able to give it away because I already touched it. Okay, so this is a set of makeup brushes. It comes with 2 eye brushes here. It comes with 2 eye brushes, 3 face brushes. They look like this, and they're blue in color. The first set of brushes I received from Ipsy by this brand was a black color. This looks good. They're really good. I love that they're really well made, and they have labels on them just to help makeup beginners to know what the brushes are used for. So this is a huge plus. I honestly love the set of makeup brushes that was sent to me. So last but not least, I received this diary by Ipsy. You guys, I love this, and it also comes with this Ipsy pen like so. I hope you guys can see it. When I saw this, I was so excited because the year is just starting. I need to keep track of what happens like daily, weekly, monthly. This is a must-have. It came at the right time. I'll just show you what inside this diary looks like. Looks like this. I really, really like this. This is a huge plus. Thank you so much, Ipsy. I love this. And the last product I received, I'm smiling because I'm so excited for this one. This is a cup. It looks like this, you guys. Comes with a lid. However you want to call it, cup, bottle, I don't know, but it's a cup, okay? And it just looks like that, y'all. Like, it's ceramic. I love how it looks, and the front of it says Ipsy. This is so good. Like, it would fit in my car. I could go around with it, have my drink in it, and no one would know what I'm sipping. This is so chic. I love this, and it feels really soft. Thank you so much, Ipsy. This is so good. I love everything I received. So this is all I received from Ipsy, the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus. If you would like to subscribe with Ipsy, I'm gonna leave the details of Ipsy down in the description box below so you can go sign up and start getting goodies like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe here. Leave me a comment of which of the products you like. And as always, don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.